Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Tagry X08 True Wireless Earbuds. They come in multiple colors. This is the gold one, and as you can see, the charging case is at 70%, so it has an LED lighting system there, and it's showing you that it's charging both earbuds. So here is the inside of the case. It's a familiar white color, but then you also have colorway on the earbud itself. And then you can tell it's red and blue color. It's trying to pair with a device. So since these are true wireless earbuds, you have the option to connect one or both of the earbuds singularly or at the same time, simultaneously. And they have different gels in the box as well. And the case is charged via USB-C here at the bottom. And here's what the other earbud looks like. There they are. It actually fits very comfortably in the ear. I've tried these out for a while, about a week or so, a couple hours each time. I do like the earbuds, and then the lights go away once it knows that there's nothing in there to charge, so that's cool. Here's some info on the back about what they have to offer. They have waterproofing level, which is IPX5, and it's about 6 hours of playtime on a single charge. And you'll get multiple charges with the charging case. And supports iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS as well. So that's the info about the X08 True Wireless Earbuds from Tagry. Now we're going to take a look at the manual, because sometimes you lose the manual and it's helpful just to take a look at this, what's included. And you can pause at any time. We're just going to quickly scroll by so you see the different ear gels that fit your ear included in the box, what the buttons do, how to power on. Here's some more information right here. And we're going to flip it over and scan this side. Again, this is so you can pause this and take a look whenever you need to with this. So there's two ways to do it for charging, and then of course some FAQs and on how to use the headphones. But basically they'll automatically go into connection mode, and after a while they'll stop. So what you do is you just replace them back into the case, and once you take them out again, if they're not paired to a device, they'll start pairing again. That's pretty smart. They always stay paired. There's really no issue with that. And then again, it shows you charging level of the case, and it will charge the earbuds up to full and then stop charging. So that is the Tagry X08. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.